Time for cartoons! Wow, this is so cool!
Peter? Peter, it is 11 o'clock at night.
Okay, Mom.
Okay? That is all you say? Put the TV off, now.
I just need a little more time, please.
You said the same thing 1 hour ago.
Mom, please. I am at the last episode.
Peter, look at me. When is the last time you went outside? I don't remember. I know, and that is the problem.
Hey, Peter.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, son.
What are you watching?
A gaming video. This guy is really good.
How long have you been watching?
Not long, but it's really interesting.
Peter, I checked. The TV was on when I woke up. It is now 10:30.
Okay, Dad.
It is not okay. That is 3 hours.
I was not watching all the time. I was also on my phone.
That is not better, son.
Dad, it is Saturday. I have nothing else to do.
You could go outside.
But there is nothing outside.
There are kids outside. There is a playground.
Dad, I don't know those kids.
You can learn their names.
Dad, please, just let me finish this video.
Okay, finish the video. But after that, you and I are going to talk.
Okay.
Did you talk to him?
I tried.
And?
He said there is nothing outside.
Michael, he has not played with another child in months.
I know, Helen.
He wakes up and the first thing he does, he reaches for his phone before he even says good morning.
I see it.
Do you think it is our fault?
Maybe a little.
We gave him the phone and the iPad. It was for learning.
It was at first.
And now? Michael, he talks to characters in a game more than he talks to us.
What do you want to do?
I want to take him to the playground today, right now.
He will say no.
He will say no, and we will still go.
Peter, wear your shoes. We are going to the playground.
I don't want to go.
I know. Stand up and wear your shoes. Mom, please.
Peter, shoes on now.
This is not fair.
Life is not always fair. Come on.
There's no one good there anyway.
You don't know that.
I do know. I went before. Nobody talked to me.
Did you talk to them?
No.
Then maybe nobody talked to anybody. Come on, let's go. Peter, come join the others.
I'm good here. Over here. Pass it.
Peter, look. Those boys are playing football. Go and join them.
I don't want to.
Why? I don't know them, Mom. So say hello first. What if they say no? What if they say yes?
I'll just play here.
Peter, can I ask you something?
What?
Are you happy? Yes. Really? I don't know. The game makes you happy?
Yes, nobody judges or ignores me in the game. I just play and I win. And out here? Out here I might lose, or they might laugh at me.
Oh, Peter.
Don't say oh, Peter like that.
I'm not laughing at you, I just understand now.
So, can we go home?
Okay, we can go home, but we will come back.
Okay.
Catch, honey! Got it! Your turn!
I'm helping too! Me too! To the porch!
Great job, team! All right, let's get these boxes loaded!
I can help, Dad. You're all doing great! Mom, can I help too?
New neighbors. Interesting.
Dad, look, they have kids.
I see that. A boy and a girl.
And a baby, too. The boy looks like my age.
Maybe he is.
The dad is throwing a ball with them while moving.
That's a fun dad.
And the mom is laughing, really laughing happily, not pretend laughing.
You notice a lot.
Dad, they look happy.
Yes, they do.
Dad, do we look happy? Like that?
I hope so, son. I really hope so.
I don't think so. You are always busy at work, and Mom is always busy too. Hey, can you kick that back? Me? Yes, you. Sorry, it went too far. Oh, okay. Good kick! Do you live here? Yes, in that building.
We just moved into this one. I'm Josh.
I'm Peter.
Cool name. Do you play football?
Not really.
Do you play anything?
Games, on my phone, and on my iPad. Oh, nice. Which game? Sky Racer and Brick Blaster. I know Brick Blaster. I played it before. It's hard. I'm on level 42. No way! 42? That is so hard. I know all the tricks. Can you show me sometime?
Maybe.
Cool, hey, do you want to kick the ball a little? Just easy, not a real game.
I'm not very good.
That's okay. I'm not very good either at Brick Blaster. We can both be bad at something. Okay, just a little.
Kick it here! Got it! It's your turn! Yes, again!
Wow! Peter is really playing outside today with the new boy. Michael, look here. See.
What? What happened?
Look.
Is that Peter?
Our son is kicking a ball.
With that new boy?
Yes.
And he is smiling?
He is really smiling.
Helen,
I know. Don't say anything or I will cry.
this is very good.
You're Peter, right? Josh told me about you. He did? He said you are on level 42 of Brick Blaster.
Oh, yes.
That's amazing. He was very excited. He talks a lot.
I noticed.
Is it annoying?
No. It's actually kind of nice.
We moved a lot. Josh always makes friends fast. I take longer.
Me too. I take a long time, a very long time.
Do you have friends at school?
Not really. I don't talk much.
What do you do at school break time?
I sit. Sometimes I watch videos.
Alone?
Yes.
That sounds lonely. It is. But the screen is easier than people. Why? Because the screen doesn't look at you like you're strange or judge you.
Peter, can I say something honest?
Okay.
You don't seem strange to me. You seem like a person who just needs someone to start first. What do you mean? Someone has to say hello first. Josh said hello first. Now look, you're outside talking to me. That's true. Sometimes the bravest thing is just saying the first word.
I never thought of it like that.
Hey! Peter, right? Josh told me. Come on, catch!
Me? I'm not good at.
Nobody is good the first time. Come on! There you go. Catch.
Oh! He caught it! Nice!
See? You're a natural.
I almost dropped it.
Almost is not the same as drop. Throw it back.
Okay, here.
Ha! Speedball! Okay, I'm ready this time.
My dad never gives up. I can see that. He says quitting is the only way to really lose.
Peter, stop thinking. Start throwing.
Laughs.
There it is. Yes! That's the one! Yes, you got it!
Peter, you were outside for 2 hours today. Was I?
We counted.
Josh's dad is funny. He kept saying I was a natural. I'm not a natural.
You caught the ball?
3 times. I dropped it like 5 times.
But you tried.
It was okay. It was actually okay.
Just okay?
Maybe a little more than okay. Peter, I have a question.
Okay, what?
Did you think about your phone today? While you were outside? No, I didn't even remember my phone. I had so much fun today playing with Josh and his dad.
That's good, sweetheart. Mom, can Josh come over tomorrow?
Yes, he can.
Did he just ask for a friend to come over?
He did. What is going on?
Oh, my heart.
Shh, don't make it a big thing.
So, Josh, good kid?
Dad, you're making it weird.
I'm not making it weird.
You have a weird face right now.
This is my normal face.
It's really not.
Wow, a new game? Peter, come! We are going to the big park. My dad has a frisbee. Okay, 1 minute.
Where are you going?
The park, with Josh and his family. I told you last week.
Okay, Mary told me about it too.
Yeah.
What about your game? You said you were going to finish level 45 today.
It can wait.
Okay, take a jacket.
Mom, it's warm.
Peter, take a jacket.
Mom.
Peter.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, I'm going now.
Be back by 5.
Okay, Mom.
Peter, you look like you ran a marathon.
We played frisbee for an hour, then football, then we sat and ate ice cream.
Ice cream? Where did that come from?
From the ice cream truck. Josh's dad, he went and bought it for everyone.
He sounded like a wonderful man the last time I met him.
He is, he's different.
Different how?
He laughs a lot, and he actually plays, like really plays, not just watching us play. Dad, can we do that sometimes? Play together, like really play?
Yes, absolutely yes.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Okay, Dad. I'm going to sleep now.
No phone before bed.
I know, Mom.
Peter.
Mom, I know. Don't worry, I'm tired anyway. Good night, Mom.
Good night, sweetheart.
Good night, Mom. Time for a shower.
The screen is not bad, but real life, real friends, real laughter, real tired feet from a real day of playing, that is something no screen can give you. For more videos, please like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye.